My name is Sefa Четин. I am professor at the Kastamonu University in Turkey, and I am here for the invitation of Dulati State University, Taras State University, for 2 weeks, and I give lectures, seminars, workshops, and something like that. I stayed 2 weeks here in Taras. I enjoyed a lot. Thanks for big hospitality of Taras State University's all staff. As a Turkish lecturer from Turkey, I feel closer to the life of Kazakhs here. We visited some places while we are here, like Aisha Bibi, Karahan Mausoleum, something like that. And I observed something in cities which is a very good hope for Kazakh people for the future. Thanks to the students, my students, thanks to the staff of the university. Thank you very much.